Hey, this is Ben from HyperSuggest. We have developed a special research tool for finding keyword and content ideas for your online business. Our tool saves you hours of keyword research by providing you with the perfect keyword ideas that enhance your content. I'll give you a brief rundown of our tools. The first thing you will see after logging in is the Suggest tool. To find new keyword suggestions, this tool searches the autocomplete results from several platforms. You only need to enter a seed keyword and choose the language and country. For the majority of platforms, this tool generates over 1,000 new keyword suggestions per search and can be applied to a variety of internet marketing endeavors. Clustering tool. You can save spending countless hours manually grouping your keyword lists into semantic subgroups by using our clustering tool. Our tool uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing to find clusters for up to 1,000 keywords in under 1 minute. Keyword Metrics tool. Quickly see high-quality and relevant keyword data for your keywords with our Keyword Metrics tool. Metrics like search volume, cost per click, CPC, from Google Ads, ranking difficulty, and many more can be found for up to 1,000 keywords in one go. WH Questions tool. The WH Question tool takes a seed keyword and a custom list of question prefixes and finds the most relevant questions for each permutation. The result allows you to create content on your website answering these questions. This will provide valuable content for your visitors and boost your visibility on search engines like Google. Also Asked tool. With Also Asked, you can analyze question groups from Google's People Also Ask box. The tool takes a seed keyword and fetches a hierarchical list of questions for that topic that search engine users commonly ask. You can also use this data to gain valuable insights into the search patterns of your target audience. The History page keeps track of your searches and helps you stay organized while performing multiple keyword analysis simultaneously. For all kinds of marketing endeavors, HyperSuggest is your tool to generate fantastic keyword and content ideas. Sign up now and start your free trial.